morning everyone. In today's class, I would like to discuss you regarding leprosy and its eradication program. Coming to the topic leprosy, it is otherwise known as Hansen's disease. The leprosy is otherwise called as Hansen's disease. It is a chronic and curable infectious disease. It is mainly causing lesions in skin and nerve damage. What it is a curable infectious disease which is mainly causing skin lesions and nerve damage. Leprosy is caused by the organism which is known as Mycobacterium leprae. It is mainly caused by the organism which is called as Mycobacterium leprae. It affects the skin, it affects the eyes, nose and peripheral nervous system. And the symptoms include light colored or red skin patches with reduced sensation and weakness in hands and feet. And leprosy, it can be cured with 6 to 12 months with a multi-drug therapy, and early treatment avoids the disability. So this is brief description regarding the leprosy. Now we'll discuss regarding the eradication program. Coming to the National Leprosy Eradication Program. This leprosy, it is one of the major health and socio-economic problems in our country, India, and it is a chronic infectious disease, and it is mainly spreading by close contact with infected patients. How it is spreading? It is spreading mainly by close contact with the infected patients. And the droplet, it is also considered as responsible for the spread of the disease. So this disease, it can be spread through the droplet means also. The average prevalence of this disease in the year 1981 was about 5.77% per thousand population. What is the average prevalence rate? It was about 5.77% per thousand population. And this disease, it is mainly caused by the Mycobacterium leprae, and it is mainly affecting the peripheral nervous system, which is causing partial or total loss of cutaneous sensation in the affected area, and the presence of thickened nerves and the presence of acid-fast bacilli in the skin or nasal smear. Coming to this National Leprosy Control Program, it was in operation since 1955, and it was a centrally aided program. Its main goal is to achieve control over leprosy through early detection of the cases and their treatment. And their treatment is mainly based on the monotherapy on an ambulatory basis. And in 1980, the government of India has decided to change the National Leprosy Control Program into National Leprosy Eradication Program by the year 2000, and based on that it has created a working group, and this working group has given advices accordingly. In 1983, the control program was renamed as National Leprosy Eradication Program, and the goal of this program was mainly to eradicate the disease by the year 2000, mainly to reduce the caseload to 1 or less than 1% per 10,000 population. And the revised strategy was mainly the early detection of the cases by population surveying and school surveying and contact examination and voluntary referral. And the other one is short-term multi-drug therapy, and next one is through health education, and the other one is ulcer and deformity care by rehabilitation activities, and free domiciliary treatment in endemic districts through specially trained staff. And treating leprosy cases with multi-drug therapy was taken up in a phased manner, and reconstructive surgery to improve the functional status of the individual, methods of leprosy control. In 1982, WHO regimens of chemotherapy were multi-drug therapy. In this thing, the treatment of multi-bacillary cases of leprosy was going. They are giving rifampicin 600 mg once a month, and tablet dapsone 100 mg once a day, and clofazimine 300 mg once a month. And this duration of the treatment is 2 years. What is this? In 1982, WHO has given us some chemotherapy schedules. These chemotherapy schedules are including multi-drug therapy and antibacillary therapy. In multi-drug therapy, what are the drugs they are using? Rifampicin they are using, dapsone they are using, and clofazimine they are using. This rifampicin, it is of 600 mg and it is given once a month. And dapsone, it is the dose of 100 mg and it is given once a day for 2 years. And clofazimine, it is of 300 mg and it is also given once a month for 2 years. What is the duration of treatment here? The duration of treatment is 2 years. Coming to the other one is antibacillary therapy. The other one is antibacillary therapy. It is also known as ABT. And the recommended drug regimen are, they are giving rifampicin, they are giving dapsone, and the duration of the treatment is only for 6 months. What is the dose of rifampicin here? The dose of rifampicin is about 600 mg, and it is given once a month for 6 months. That means the person has to take 6 times in that course of duration the tablet rifampicin. The other one is dapsone, and this dapsone, it was 100 mg, and this dapsone has to be taken for 6 months daily without missing a dose. What is the duration of treatment here? The duration of treatment here is 6 months. Coming to the other measures. So whenever you find a case with leprosy, since it is a communicable disease and it is having the nature to spread from one person to another person through droplet infection, what they have said, they have decided to keep the case as isolated case. So and the follow-up of cases and protection of children with BCG vaccination, rehabilitation and health education. This is regarding leprosy control program. If you have any doubts, you can contact me through my email and through my WhatsApp. Thank you. Thanks for watching.